Mother's Day.
So happy Mother's Day.
And who's celebrating Mother's Day?
You and me.
Oh, no. Just Mommy.
And just me.
Oh, and you too?
Yeah, I like to decorate this.
You like to decorate the card?
Yeah.
Whose card is this?
This is Nana's and Mommy's.
For what? What's the card for?
For Mommy and Nana.
I know, but what are we making the card for?
Stickers.
What are we making the card for?
What special day is it?
Yes. Happy birthday.
But what if Daddy takes away Mother's Day?
No, you don't. You have to share Mother's Day.
I have to share
It's
it?
a very important day, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
We don't take it away.
No, we don't take it away.
I think I'm going to take it away.
No.
No?
No, it's Happy Mother's Day.
Oh,
I said.
okay.
We got decorated
And
stickers.
every year, it's a very important day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's a important day.
It's an important day?
Yeah, the stickers.
Well, I'm going to take it away this year.
No.
No?
No, these are our stickers to put in our decorated.
I think we're all done.
No, we almost done putting stickers.
Okay.
There's lots of others.
Can you say Happy Mother's Day to Mommy and Nana?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy and Nana.
Okay. Can you look at the camera and say Happy Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day.
Say love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.